Hi, welcome to Yochi. I'm Marissa, and this is our Qigong breathing with a bell. In Chinese, the word Qi means life force energy, and it is also related to the breath. So Qigong means energy cultivation and breath cultivation. Therefore, how we breathe during a Qigong practice is important. And the way we breathe is deep, calm, even, long, and fine. Deep is abdominal. Calm is that the breath is relaxed. Long is at a rate longer than your resting breath. Even means the inhalation and exhalation are the same length. Fine is that the breath is smooth. There's no jagged edges. To achieve this in a short amount of time, we're going to use a special breath rate with a bell for a 5-second inhale and a 5-second exhale. This balanced breath rate is very adaptogenic. If you are too high and too much energy, it's going to bring you down back to a state of balance. If you are low in energy and feeling fatigued or tired, it can help boost your energy and bring you to a state of balance. So find a comfortable spot and let's move some qi. Begin standing in Wuji posture with your feet shoulder-width apart and feel the contact of your feet with the earth. Relax your knees. Relax your hips and lift your pubic bone up as if you're about to sit in a chair, but you don't. Now tuck your chin in and feel the crown of your head open to the sky. The spine is long and spacious. Now relax your chest and sink your breath into your lower abdomen. Begin deep abdominal breathing. Finally, bring a smile to your face. Allow the smiling energy to spread through your eyes and shine through your heart. We'll begin with a warm-up. Slowly turn from your hips and waist. And allow your arms to knock over your lower abdomen and lower back. This is called knocking on the door of life and awakens the Mingmen, or life gate. The Mingmen is the master point in your body to activate your vitality. The movement comes from your center, so take care not to round your back or drop your head forward. Instead, keep your spine upright, tuck the chin, and relax your waist so you are turning around your central axis. Now bring it up to the lungs. So one hand knocks over the lungs and the other knocks over your lower back, connecting the lungs and kidneys. Let's take 3 purging breaths here. Breathe in the nose and blow out the mouth. Blow out toxins or old energy from the lungs. And inhale, take in fresh, clean qi. Now take 3 tonifying breaths. So breathe in through the nose and exhale out the nose. Now come back down to the center and isolate the knocking over your navel and Mingmen. Knocking here activates your lower Dantian, so it's easier to sink the breath into your center. Now come to the front and just knock under your navel on the Qi high point. This is a master point to tonify your Qi so you feel energized and vital. Feel the vibrations waking up this area. Now slow it down and hold your hands over your Dantian. Relax your chest and sink your breath down, down, down into your abdomen. On the inhale, the abdomen rises and fills with breath. And exhale, it sinks back towards the spine. You can use your hands to help you breathe. Inhale and feel your belly press against your palms. Exhale and push the belly in. Now we will regulate the breath with the bell. Begin to match your breath to the sound of the bell with my instruction. Inhale on this bell and exhale on this bell. Long, slow inhale. Long, slow exhale. Inhale. And on this exhale, bring your palms to face the earth. Now we're going to flow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, float both arms up to shoulder height. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Draw earth chi up the legs, out the shoulders, elbows, and wrists. Then sink the elbows down and in. This flow opens the lungs. Use 70% effort. Unify your mind, breath, and body. This time, rise and open to the sides. Then draw in and push down. Long breath in and long breath out. This flow opens the chest and supports the lungs. As you move, focus on the breath and the qi. Qi rises, qi expands. Qi contracts, and qi falls. One more time. This time, raise your hands all the way up over your head. Palms face out and float down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax your shoulders and sink down. Open the hips. Feel the earth energy filling your whole body to your crown, then expanding out and around your aura. Do one more. Now bring your hands palm facing palm and pulse on the Qi. Inhale, hands move apart. Exhale as the hands come together. Use your elbows to guide the movement, and use your palms to feel the Qi. Breathe with your whole body. Now hold your hands in front of your Dantian, and we'll finish with the integration flow. Inhale, circle your left arm up, and exhale down the central channel. Now right hand circles around and draw it down the center of your body. Integrating your spirit, mind, and body. And now hold your hands over your Dantian. Now step your feet together and release your efforts. Allow this beautiful Qi, the breath of life, to go where it wants to go for health, healing, and balance. Amitofo. How are you feeling after that practice? It's such a relaxing, adaptogenic, and balancing practice, and I really love doing Qigong with the bell. If you loved it too, you can find plenty more routines like this in the Yochi Video On Demand library. You can also get more instruction from the library. Simply go to yochi.com, where you'll find all the information about my upcoming workshops, retreats, and online offerings. Thank you for your efforts. May you be blessed and filled with Qi.